Hello, everyone. Welcome to Stratus Tutorials. Today, I will be demonstrating how to exchange CRS tokens for Strax tokens in a trustless and decentralized way without the need for a centralized exchange. If you already have a Strax wallet, you can skip to Step 4. Step 1. Download and install Strax Wallet. Download and install the Strax Wallet from the Wallets page on stratusplatform.com. Step 2. Create a wallet. Open the Strax wallet and click on Create a Wallet. Input a name for the wallet. Input a secure and memorable password twice, and if you prefer, a passphrase. A passphrase acts as an additional recovery word in the event of a lost or corrupt wallet. If you decide to use a passphrase, you must remember it. If you forget your wallet passphrase, you will not be able to access the wallet. You will now be presented with 12 words, referred to as your mnemonic phrase. These words must be safely and securely stored as they will be required in the event of a lost or corrupt wallet. Please take note and keep them safe. To validate that you have obtained a copy of the mnemonic phrase, you will be asked to enter 3 separate words from the mnemonic phrase. Input the 3 requested secret words from your mnemonic and click Next for your wallet to be created. Step 3. Wait for blockchain synchronization. Wait until 100% is displayed in the wallet, confirming blockchain synchronization status. Step 4. Perform a cross-chain transfer. Within the Strax wallet, obtain a receive address. This will begin with the letter X. Now open your Cirrus core wallet and click the Send button. Select Main Chain and set Strax Mainnet as the destination network. Now, enter your Strax address that you obtained earlier, beginning with the letter X. Enter an amount and the wallet password, followed by the Send button. Confirmation times on receiving the Strax depends on the amount you send, as shown in the wallet. Each confirmation is equivalent to 16 seconds. As an example, a transfer under 50 Strax will take approximately 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Step 5. Validate Strax token balance. Open the Strax wallet, and you will now see the balance reflects the amount sent from the Cirrus core wallet. Any questions, please leave comments below and follow the official Stratus channel for more and upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.